What if there was a technique to make your crush thirsty and addicted to you? In this video, I'm going to reveal rare techniques from dark psychology. Professional pickup artists use these techniques and they won't be happy if they realize that I'm telling you their secrets. This technique is called forbidden apple. This technique will make your crush follow you like crazy and be thirsty to communicate with you. How to implement the technique. After some time, when you have become warm and intimate with your crush, tell him or her with a smile and a joke that you can't be together. For example, you can laugh and tell them that they are so glutton, so you shouldn't get into a relationship because you will fight over food. Or you can even give a reason in a serious tone that prevents you from communicating with each other. For example, you can say, "I'm not a good person and I'm afraid to hurt you, so it's better not to get too close to each other." Now the question is, how this technique makes our crush thirsty for us and make it easier for them to enter into a relationship with us. According to psychological researches, people are greedier than things that are forbidden. Remember when your mother told you not to touch the stove, you were more curious and more motivated to touch the gas. Now we understand how this technique works. I hope this video was useful for you. If you want to stay out of secrets of dark psychology, don't like or subscribe.